Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we're up this morning getting ready to switch out these rotors that I got. So let's get to it before it gets too hot in this Texas weather, man. It's in the morning. Let's get to it. Underneath these two screws right here, so you loosen these two up. Focus these right there. Loosen them two both up. Right on. Boom, just like that. So it comes off. Next after that, a little wiggling, you should be able to take the rotor right off. Inbound beat. Rotor in, and we'll keep the process back. I keep the brake attached to the use this, man. It's very useful. Very useful. Just complete the same process as you did before, but make sure you put the right sides because the front is bigger than the back, I believe. So make sure you put the right ones on the right side before you fuck around and crash or something, bro. So yesterday, I started my brake job. Couldn't finish it because I needed to bleed my brake system, but I need some help because I wasn't about to buy no rinky-dink little tool. So you know what I do, I hop on off-road, 5 miles, find you a nice little mobile mechanic. Met one, name's Connor. About to meet him right now, man. I got some reinforcements today.
The siphon should be on that toolbox. Filter in here to help keep out dirt particles and stuff out from inside of your brake fluid reservoir here. I'm trying to get this thing down up inside of there so I can get out all that old fluid, because that fluid, if you see the new fluid, is like almost clear. It's got a very slight yellow tint to it,
And this one's dark.
and you can see how dark it is through the plastic. You can see how dark it is up in here in the tube.
Because yesterday when I was changing the passenger caliper, the actually piston broke.
Sequence.
Okay, good. I believe I left the wrenches, you know that, huh?
What?
Nah, he caught that one. Oh, he caught it.
It's a little grommet piece for a vacuum hose on a 05 Mustang GT. Just a little connector.
05 Ford Mustang.
Mm-hmm.
Pumped up.
Open.
It's to the floor. That bitch look nasty. If I had this bitch still on 90. Say, man, them bitches is hot. Oh yeah.